Want to make an unforgettable Manhattan cocktail? Here's how to do it in just 5 steps. Let's start by grabbing all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of rye whiskey, 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of sweet vermouth, 2 or 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, depending on your taste. Finally, 1 maraschino cherry, as well as 1 slice of orange peel, both for garnishing. For tools, you'll want a mixing glass, a bar spoon, a jigger, and a strainer. Now let's start putting it all together and make that world-class Manhattan. 1. Fill the mixing glass with ice to chill it. 2. Pour the rye whiskey, sweet vermouth, and bitters into the chilled mixing glass. 3. Stir the ingredients well using a bar spoon for about 30 seconds to properly chill and dilute the mixture. 4. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. 5. Give the orange peel a twist to spray the zest into the drink, then drop the peel into the glass and garnish with a maraschino cherry. And you're done! Enjoy your Manhattan cocktail. And which drink would you like to learn how to make? Let me know, and I'll show you how the pros do it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next video.